Solve the following differential equation: 2xy minus 3x squared dx plus x squared minus 2y dy equal to 0. So, first na to i-check is if variable separable ba siya. So, by mata-mata class, makita na to na this is not a variable separable problem. Tama? So, ang next na to i-ask itong selves, is it a homogeneous differential equation? So, to confirm, you have to check. So, you have to let x is equal to vx and y equal to vy. So, this is your original equation. So, substitute na to ha, ang x equal to vx and y equal to vy. So, x is equal to vx and y equal to vy. X is equal to vx, x is equal to vx, and y is equal to vy. Then, simplify class. So, v times v, it's v squared xy minus 3v squared x squared dx plus v squared x squared minus 2vy dy equal to 0. Then, simplify pag yun class. So, gi-factor out na to ang diri na part, gi-factor out na to ang v squared. So, you have v squared times 2xy minus 3x squared dx. Pero diri a class, atong na-factor out lang is si v. So, nabilin is v times vx squared minus 2y dy equal to 0. So, masking unsaon nimo siya og simplify class, kaning ato ang diri di ba? Kani siya dili gid siya mabalik usab sa atohang original equation. So kapag dili siya mabalik usab sa original equation, therefore we can conclude that this is not a homogeneous differential equation. So if it is not variable separable, if it is not homogeneous DE, then let's check if exact DE ba siya. Pero take note class na ang exact DE magamit lang na siya class if ang inyohang equation is in this form. So, m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So, this is your m dx, n dy equal to 0. So, yes, ang gihatag sa problem is in this form. Okay? So, pwede na to ma-apply ang exact DE in this case. So, to confirm if this is an exact differential equation, then you have to check for the exactness. So, how do we do that? The partial derivative of m with respect to y must be equal to the partial derivative of n with respect to x. So, wait lang. Erase na to. So, let's solve for the partial derivative of m with respect to y. So, you have 2xy minus 3x squared. Okay? So, if this is with respect to y, meaning to say, your y is your variable and your x is your constant. So, in this case, class, kapag i-derive ni siya with respect to y, y is the variable, x is constant. So, this is 2x minus constant, so this is 0. Okay, kay constant man ang imong x. So, the partial derivative of m with respect to x is equals to 2x. Okay? So, next is the partial derivative of n with respect to x. So, you have x squared minus 2y. So, if with respect to x sa class, meaning to say, let your x be your Let your x be your variable and your y is treated as the constant. X is the variable, y is the constant. So, in this case, class, kapag imuha siyang i-derive, so, x is a variable, so this is 2x. Y is a constant, so this is 0. Pag i-derive ni mo ang constant. Okay, so the partial derivative of n with respect to x is equal to 2x. Okay, so 2x is equal to 2x. Therefore, we can say na yes, this is an exact differential equation. So, kapag exact differential equation siya, ang next step is to integrate both m and to integrate n. So, integral of m dx. So, kani siya is i-integrate lang. So, mao na siya class. So, naka-dx siya, meaning to say you have to treat x as your variable and your y as your constant. So, integral of 2xy, where y is the constant, is simply integral of, wait lang. Balik ta. Diba you have integral of x dx to y sa gawas. Yeah, 2y. So, y is a constant. So, power formula lang ka, x squared over 2. So, mo na siya. Then, kaniya diri a class, so, integral of 3x squared dx. So, 3 integral of x squared dx. So, that's simply equal to 3x cubed over 3. So, mo na siya class. So, gisimplify lang na to. Cancel ang 2 and ang 3. So, you have x squared y minus x cubed. Okay? Then, integral of n dy. So, kani siya is integrate lang nimo siya. So, mo ni siya. Now, naka-dy ka class, meaning to say you have to treat y as your variable and x as your constant. So, the integral of x squared dy is simply equal to x squared y. Tama? X squared y kani. And the integral of 2y dy, so power formula lang ka, that's 2y squared over 2. So, mao na siya class. Okay, then simplify lang class, so cancel ni. So, you have x squared y minus y squared. So, as you can see, kani siya and kani siya is nagbalik, di ba? So, if naaga ni mag-repeat na terms after integrating class, meaning to say, kapag exact DE tapos naay nag-repeat na term, kumbaga naa ka sa good side, kumbaga padulungay na ka sa tama na answer kapag naagay mag-repeat. So, that's a good sign. Okay? Then, erase na nato ni. So, after ato na-integrate na nimo, so the last step is to combine the equations. So, combining the equations, you have x squared y, kani siya. So, you have x squared y. So, kapag repeating gani class, ikaisahon lang nimo siya butang dire kapag nag-repeat. So, ikasahon lang siya butang. Then, minus x cubed, so mo ni siya. Then, minus y squared, so mo na siya, equal to z. So, that is your final answer. Okay, so sa next video is ato siyang i-check using calculator technique. So, next video class.